the 6-6 portal today. The month of June is filled with loving and healing energies. It is a good time to prepare to receive these energies with the opening of a high-frequency portal on 6-6. This portal will activate high levels of unconditional love and healing for our planet and our bodies. The energies of this portal guide you towards new horizons, a magical opportunity to connect with love, attract better relationships, and have a change of mindset. Get ready to embark on a new adventure. This is a very powerful portal with new energies that will help comfort our souls. The number 6 is associated with the energies of harmony, balance, and love. These energies can help you resolve conflicts and strengthen you internally, aiding in healing past wounds. It is a portal that will attract all that balance, love, and gratitude into your life. The number 6 is associated with home and family, compassion, and service to others. If you have aspects to forgive, be forgiven, or resolve family or relationship issues, these energies will help you heal old wounds and strengthen communication bonds. Let this communication be sincere and open, allowing emotions to flow and be mutually understood. This portal is a call for empathy and understanding, creating a more harmonious and loving environment around us. It fosters a spirit of cooperation and mutual support in relationships between people, favoring constructive dialogue and the ability to find solutions together. All of this brings us inner peace and a renewed sense of well-being. It is an act of love towards ourselves and others. The energies of this 6-6 portal invite us to build stronger, longer-lasting relationships based on mutual trust and respect, and to experience changes with optimism and flexibility. These are very powerful cosmic energies that invite us to vibrate positively with love and enthusiasm to achieve better beneficial results. Always maintain a positive and persevering attitude. Every difficulty in life is an opportunity to learn, grow, and move forward with determination, dignity, and effort like every light warrior. Use this magical energy to connect with your spiritual side, connect with that wise and feminine part within you. The time has come to empower yourself and to be the sole decision maker in your life. Only you have the power to do it. The planet Jupiter will rule the energies of this 6-6 portal, symbolizing growth and expansion. Its influence brings a new opportunity into your life. Jupiter expands everything you touch in a positive sense. Expand your divine knowledge. All your learning and wisdom are important to continue your path. What to do? Strengthen your emotional bonds and dedicate time to listening and understanding yourself and others. Open and positive communication are essential pillars for building a solid foundation of trust and mutual support. Engage in activities that bring you peace and happiness. Take walks in nature, have dinner with family, or with positive people who are on your same vibrational frequency level. Perform abundance rituals to manifest all your desires, especially attracting positive experiences into your life. Meditate, express spiritual decrees, sing, laugh, and dance. The energies of this portal invite you to completely transform your life perspective and guide you towards new horizons. This combination of numerical significance and the energies present in June will make it a moment of self-focus and self-love. The higher planetary energies and a particularly enlightening month will result in the accelerated and rapid progress of Ascension. We have a wonderful energetic opportunity to connect with our hearts and find a new point of internal balance. With the energies of this magical cosmic portal 6-6 and the energies of the new moon in Gemini, I wish you a great day. Happy 6-6 portal. This is an invocation. If you feel like working with it, you can express it on these days 6 times a day for 6 days. I invoke the light of the Christ being within me. I am the pure and perfect channel. The light is my guide. The light is my guide. The light is my guide. I call upon the light of the great central sun. I call upon the great brotherhood of angels and archangels. I call upon the beings of light who emit vibrations of love. to guide me with these energies of this 6-6 portal and the new moon to fulfill my divine purpose for the good of myself and others. So it is, and so it shall be. A strong hug full of much love to everyone. I am Maria Lustig, guardian of the flame of light at the service of Gaia, voiced by We Are Positive Worldwide.